Hello, good morning. We are here to do a look with this palette. This is the Blooming Lovely palette from Simple Beauty. Here is the name, Blooming Lovely. It has a lot of spring shade, I think. I would say that you have a few dark shade, but for example, this is a very dark blue, but this is maybe the darkest one. Also this matte brown, but it's not very dark. So we'll see what we are going to do. I do not have anything in my mind actually, so let me just clean my hands. If you're new here, my name is Cristina, I'm from Italy, I'm 41 and I'm a makeup lover. In particular, I love eyeshadow palette, eyeshadow singles and indie brands. So let's start, and what shade we can go on? I did a few purple, fuchsia, bright, pink looks in the last days, so maybe we can go a little bit more neutral. Let's start with this shade here. This one, oh yes, I have a little bit of, you know, I don't know if this is like an allergy to something. Maybe it will work. Or I was out yesterday. No. Yes, yesterday evening I went out with the dog and it was quite cold. You know, this shade is called Blossom and it looks like the flower of the cherry tree actually. I like this so much. Oh, this is so good. I have a few palettes from Simple Beauty, but I haven't tried them yet. I think I just swatched a few shades from this palette. I have the Hydroliner one, I have the Rain one, the small one, and I'm sure I have another one, but I do not remember the name. Just let blend. Okay, I think we are done. Let's keep the brush here. I will go ahead, let's see, we can apply a little bit of Poppy. Poppy is this reddish tone. What is missing from this palette? I think a very dark brown or a black would have been very useful, because you know you can darken whatever you want if you have those shades. Maybe the dark brown we have is just enough, I don't know. Let's try. The dark brown is called Clay. And no, guys. I have depotted yesterday this palette from Pat. This is a 6-pen palette that was called Opulence something, Golden Opulence, something similar. I used that palette once or twice only. I was thinking to give it away when my dog chewed the outside, you see, the closure. So yesterday I depotted the eyeshadow, and these are the eyeshadow. I'm so happy, so happy. It was very easy. To grab the eyeshadow and repress them in another pan, in a smaller one. It's impossible to remove the pan from the plastic packaging of the palette. So I'm thinking to do something similar with the other palette I have. The only things that is just keeping me from doing that is that the beauty of the Pat McGrath is also the packaging. So I don't know. Okay, we can go with a full matte look. So maybe we can apply this bright fuchsia because you don't have any pinkish shimmer shade in here. So I think I will go full matte. Oh, maybe also this green. Let's try with the green. Oh, I love this shade. This is so beautiful. They have a little bit of powder in the pan, but let me check. I have a little bit of fallout, yes. But also I have a primer that is not helping to adhere the powder to my eyes. You know, I don't like this primer at all. I'll go back to the brush, to the small brush I used with Poppy, and just blend everything together. Okay, underneath the eye we can go ahead and applying what we can apply. We can apply a dark green. We can apply a mix between this shade here and this shade here. Stem is the lightest one of the two. Okay, we can. Okay, I'll do the other eyes. Apply my mascara and liner, and I'll be back. Okay, here we are. This is the final look. I've applied my eyeliner from Ofra, the black one. It's called something fixed line eyeliner in black. I've applied my mascara from Mulak. This is called Gentleman. You know, I'm not a very big fan of Mulak mascara. In the inner corner, I've put one of my most loved palettes, and this is the Cupid's Arrow from St. Andrews and Sinner. This palette is coming back to her Etsy shop. I've applied, yes, Bonnie, this shade here. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Can we spend a second talking about this shade here? Yes. This is amazing. The whole palette is worth the price. You need to buy this one. I have a code, Cristina15. If you'd like to use, thank you. If you don't, thank you again. But go and check her Etsy shop. On my lips, I have the Stunna lip paint from Fenty Beauty, and I've used Unveil on the outside, uncuffed in the middle, and just a little bit of unbutton on the center. I tried this sort of ombre lips, but I used a wrong brush, so it's not how I thought it should have been. Anyhow, I like it. What about the palette? It's a little bit too powdery for my preferences. You need to start with the darkest shade, because if you try to put a darkest shade on top of another one, it's not easy. It's not easy. I applied the brown on top of the red. The brown is not very dark. It's not how I like to do my makeup, let's say. However, the green shade is very, very cute. They are staying. I'm sure they are not creasing during the day, and maybe with a better primer they would have been also better. I don't know. I need to finish this one before opening a new one, so we will see. We will see in the future. As a first impression, not the best. Let's see. I will do other looks with this palette and be back recording my opinion later on, so we will see. I hope you enjoy, and if you do, please leave me a thumbs up and ring the bell to be advised when I upload a new video. I usually upload 3 times a week, Monday, Friday, Wednesday and Friday. Sometimes I'm able to do a live in between, but keep on watching. See you soon. Bye guys.